Do you understand English, but when it comes to speaking, you just stop? There is a very clear reason for that. Let's see. You read books, you study grammar, you watch videos, and you listen to podcasts. You don't really practice speaking. And if you want to speak fluently, you need to exercise your speaking muscles. And that's exactly what we're going to do together in this video. You and I, we're going to talk. Forget about grammar. Forget about learning new words. Nothing else matters in this video. The only thing that matters is your speaking. Now, here is the situation. We are in a restaurant. I am the waiter and you're going to order food. We're going to have 3 scenarios. Let's see. First, you enter my restaurant and you want to order food. Second, there is a small problem and you make a simple complaint. Third, there is even a bigger issue and you handle it confidently. I'll read my lines and you read yours. You'll have time. Don't worry. It's going to be easy and it's going to be fun. Now, just focus on speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin with part 1. Good evening and welcome. Do you have a reservation? Here's the menu. Take your time and have a look. Are you ready to order? That sounds great. What would you like to drink? Let me know if you need anything else during your meal. That was easy, right? Everything went smoothly. No problems at all. Now, let's move on to part 2. Hi there. How's everything going? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem? I see. Would you like me to bring you a new one? It won't take long. I'll bring it as soon as it's ready. Great job! You handled that very well. At least I hope so. Now let's move on to part 3. Excuse me, I can see something is wrong. What happened? I'm really sorry about that. Let me fix this for you immediately. I'll fix it right away and bring you the correct dish. That was great, right? Now remember, the whole point of this video was for you to practice speaking. So right now, just go back, watch it again, and do it one more time. Not just once, watch it again and again until speaking feels easy. Now here is something even better. Try to memorize your lines because when you remember them, you can use them in real situations naturally. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want more speaking practice like this, let me know in the comments. Maybe we can come up with a new scenario this time, maybe at the doctor's office. You can also check out the similar but airport version in my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I post new English videos every Thursday. I'll see you in the next video.